All right, everybody, how y'all doing out there? Facebook, Instagram. My name is Kareem, aka the Professor, aka the T-shirt guy. So what I'm about to do today is my daughters came to me saying, Dad, I want you to put something on the shirt for me, and they've been asking me for a long time, so I figured I'll go ahead and make that happen today. And as you can see, I just designed and did this shirt just today, Beard Gang. I'm definitely a part of the Beard Gang now. But yeah, so you can get yours at any time. Boom. All right, so I'm going to do my baby daughters first. I already got the shirt laid out. All right, and so she wants LOL. She wants LOL on her shirt. So it's made out of glitter, so I'm going to go ahead and lay it on down. I'm going to kind of eyeball it and center it up. All right, I want to get about 3.5 from the collar. All right, kind of center it up here. All right, and I got a little crown that I'm going to put on there. Actually, I'll tell you what, I'm going to put the LOL on for. I'm going to layer it out. So this is called layering. All right, I'm going to press this, medium pressure, for about 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Lift that on up. Okay. And there's it's called a hot peel, so I get to actually pull it off right then. All right, and voila. So that's the first part of it. All right, and what do I do with the crown?
Right there.
All right. And so the crown, I'm going to add is another color, so I'm going to put the crown over the glitter like that. All right. Let's see. Let me rotate it just a little bit. Okay. All right. So I'm going to need something over it just to kind of protect the glitter, the existing glitter. So I'm going to use an existing sheet, transfer sheet. All right. We'll press it again. About the same amount of time, 15 seconds. All right. Pull this up. All right. Boom. All right. So this is my baby girl's shirt. She got LOL, and then she wanted me to put her initials on the back, so I went ahead and took care of that for her. All right, so we got DLS on the back. So we got that shirt taken care of, so she can be happy. Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be my second shirt for my other daughter. She want the MusicLy logo on her shirt. So, of course, I worked my magic and got that all taken care of, doing the logo and all that. And I actually added a little twist to the MusicLy name. So we're going to start off with her T-shirt. She wants it on black. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it out under the press. Press it for a couple seconds just to get the moisture out. About 5 seconds. Get that bad boy nice and flat. So I'm going to be doing layering again. So I got the first part of the logo, which is the red circle. All right. Just kind of line that up. 3.5 finger width on the top. All right. And these are my other 2 layers. So, all right. So I'm going to press this. 15 seconds. Alright, lift that on up. Peel it on back. Just like that. So now I'm going to add my other 2 layers, the actual MusicLy emblem itself. Alright, just kind of scrape some excess stuff off. Alright, let's see. So I want to place that kind of like in the middle. This is probably the more tedious part of it, y'all. Just lining stuff up. Alright. I'm going to take this last part down here, put it right up underneath the circle. That looks about right. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So then I'm going to put my protection over top of it since I'm using the second layer. Press that. Medium pressure for another 15 seconds. Okay. This part. Snatch that off. That's the finished product. Next time you see it, my daughter will be rocking it. There you go.